Good evening, everyone. I am Abhinav Goyal from class 6th from Government Middle School, JASSRAN. Today, I am going to talk about different types of movies: horror, romantic action, documentary, action, science fiction, comedy, tragedy. My siblings love watching horror movies, but I don't. Have you seen any documentary movie on animals on Discovery Channel? Blank is a romantic action thriller film. Transformer is an action movie full of breathtaking stunts. Have you seen any Gravity? It is a science fiction thriller. Have you Some actors like to work on comedy because they enjoy to make people laugh. Oh, it's a tragedy. It has a sad ending. Thank you and have a nice day.